Man, what's good, YouTube, y'all? Today's video gonna be a little bit different. As y'all can tell by the title of the video, we're gonna be showing y'all how y'all can make thousands of dollars on YouTube, bro. You feel me? Like, I'm here for the small content creators. I am gonna show you guys, I'm gonna be putting y'all onto some game. Things I wish I knew before I came into the YouTube industry, YouTube algorithm, however y'all wanna call it. And I'm gonna be showing y'all some do's, don'ts. Like, for real, today, man, I'm really putting on my coach Sanders headset gear because I'm coaching from the sidelines today, man. Like, the ball is on y'all, man. No, the ball it's on me too. Like, I'm still learning as a content creator, but I'm gonna be showing y'all some mistakes that y'all don't have to make and how y'all can just get straight to the bag, bro. Because it took me a minute to really find out the algorithm, figure out what is the best things to post on YouTube, the best ways to go about everything. So, man, hey, if y'all willing, y'all want to make some money on YouTube, stick around today, man. So what's good, you it's your boy Reese in the Cut, back with y'all another video today, man. And y'all know our goal. We trying to hit 30,000 subscribers. Y'all see where we at right now. You know what I'm saying? We at 22.5K. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully by the end of this week we could be at 23. You know, hopefully, if y'all messing with the kid, man, make sure y'all hit smash that subscribe button. And yeah, so I'm gonna be just giving y'all some gems today, man. So get y'all some popcorn, drink, and let's dive straight into it. So first off, as y'all can see right here, the analytics, you know what I'm saying, not too bad. You know, last 28 days made over $800. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? Compared to like our RPM and CPM. Compare YouTube's RPM and CPM compared to TikTok, in my opinion, it's a lot better. But, so this is where I want to start off at, right? I see a lot of content creators, like a lot of people like y'all be asking me like, what are the best like ways, like I want to run up a bag. And this is, disclaimer, this is only for the people on YouTube who care about taking YouTube serious as like a business. Like you want to profit from it, like you want to make money. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you don't care about the money or anything, like you just want to do like YouTube or content just for like laughing purposes, entertainment, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But this is just for the people who like, they want to benefit. Like maybe you, man, like you looking for an extra source of income. You know, you want to get your bills paid, anything like that, man. So let's dive straight into it. So first off, what I want to show you guys is, so the niche I'm in right now, I would say like I'm in the finance, motivational content, like videos that pretty much, you know, they bring value. You know what I'm saying? You guys love them, right? So what I'm doing right now is I'm going back to like some older videos, and I'm just going to be showing you guys the difference. Like the difference between having videos that have value and like entertainment. And also like why, not even just for the money, but like why I left the entertainment like side of YouTube. As you guys know, like some of my loyals know, like the people who've been here like years, you guys know this is not the style of content that I used to post. Like I used to post pranks, vlogs. But if you're coming on here and you want to make some money, I'm sorry. Unless you're like the next Kai Cenat or Speed or Mr. Beast, you're probably not gonna be seeing a lot of growth and revenue. So I'm putting y'all on, man. Like, so okay, this is a perfect example that I want to show you guys. So this video did, as you guys can see, 28,000 views, right? This is entertainment. This is the video of how I lost my V card. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to go check that out, you guys can. I don't even know why I still got these videos up, but I'll never delete these videos because they're always a part of me, right? So let's dive right into this video. So as you guys can see, this is entertainment type of content, as you guys can see. 28,000 views, 2.9K watch time hours, 270 subscribers, revenue $41, right? To some of you on this video, you probably be like, okay, that's not bad. But for YouTube, that's bad. That's terrible, right? That's terrible. Why? Because let's dive in. Let's click on the revenue tab. Look at that RPM. Oh God. Look at that RPM, bro. Why is the RPM so low? It's $1.46 per 1,000 views. So why is revenue so low? It's because it has no value. It brings no value. It doesn't show anybody how to do something. It doesn't show anybody. It doesn't show you how to make anything. Like nothing. It's just literally just me just being funny and talking about a funny time in my lifetime. Now, if you guys like one of the type of people like you want to make a lot of money off YouTube, I would suggest making a separate channel for all your entertainment stuff, and then find something that's valuable on the side. Make that your main channel. You know what I'm saying? Because this you really can't pay no bills off of entertainment. The older I got, the more I had to realize that like come on, look how much the advertising is paying. The advertiser feel like this video is worth $6.57, and then it's cut down to $1.46. It's 28,000 views, bro. You know what I'm saying? So that's just for one right there. Y'all ever see like y'all favorite content creators? They kind of fall off. They kind of stop posting content, and they kind of like stop doing. You know what I'm saying? They go back to maybe a job, or they like find something else to do. It's because you can't make a living off of entertainment content unless you're pulling in hundreds of thousands of views every single video. And let's be honest, a lot of us, I come from a small city, Peoria, Illinois. I come from a small town. I'm not known by a lot of people, so I don't really get a lot of views. But since I'm bringing you guys value, my videos start to, you know what I'm saying, they pick up. You know, I don't have to do so many views to get a decent paycheck. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, just showing you guys that. Now that's a 28,000 view video. Now let's go back up, right? Let's go back up so we can show you guys the difference. You know what I'm saying? Go all the way back up. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute. Bear with me. I got a lot of videos, man. Y'all see I've been like, I ain't no overnight success. Y'all see I've been putting in work after work. So let's go to the warehouse video, right? This is I can see 23,000 views, man. Let me show you guys the difference. Y'all see the difference? Okay. All right. Almost $300 and less the views, right? Let's dive into the revenue side. Come on now. Now the advertisers feel like this video is almost worth $20. You know what I'm saying? Cut down to $12.06 per 1,000 views, bro. Why? Because I'm bringing you guys some value. I'm showing you guys how to save your first $10,000 off working a 9-to-5 job. Advertisers feel like those type of videos are valuable, bro. You guys get where I'm kind of getting at now? You know what I'm saying? I get it, bro. A lot of you want to be the next Kai Cenat. A lot of you want to be the next Drewski. A lot of you want to be the next up-and-coming comedy streamer, content creator. But just to let you guys know, it's just not a lot of profit in it. It's not a lot. The entertainment RPM goes anywhere from $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. Literally, that means you would have to average at least probably 50,000 views a video just to see a good paycheck. When on the other hand, come on now, you bring some value, you'll be in a good position, right? You know what I'm saying? This video right here, 2,000 views, almost 3,000 views. Now this is $42. You see, 3,000 views, $42, right? And the revenue hasn't even updated yet. It hasn't even updated. As you guys can see, like, if we dive deep into it, you feel me? $14 per 1,000 views. You feel me? That's the difference, man. You bring value. You know, you talk about things that actually mean something. You feel what I'm saying? Like, yeah, as you guys can see by the title, it says, do this if you're broke. You know, I'm giving you guys ways and things, to get money up. And not saying it has to be money. Literally, you can, anything that you are good at, you can monetize it. Like if you're good with cars, show people how to fix their cars. It doesn't just go off of like certain things. Like it really goes off of how valuable your videos are. Simple as that, fam. And you can still have fun and have valuable videos. Like this it's just all about how you do it, Don't get me wrong, it's a process. I'm still learning it. But I'm really just showing you guys how you guys can skip the line, skip the process, and skip it all for absolutely free. Like some people would be charging to do this, bro. This is absolutely free game. It took me 4 years to realize that you can skip the line. You don't have to wait. Just come on here, bro, and solve problems. All you gotta do is solve problems, fam. Like literally, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like I can click on any video right now. Like this one right here. This only got 1,000 views. You know what I'm saying? $16, as you guys can see. What's the RPM? $14 on that, bro. And that hasn't even updated yet, as you guys can see, because they only counted 1.1K views of this, so it hasn't even updated yet. So that's probably gonna be with 14 plus 14. That's what, like $28 or something like that. Come on, fam. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just basically the whole purpose of this video. Like, it's a difference. A lot of you want to be funny. A lot of you want to be entertainers. There's not a lot of compensation in that. I'm sorry, not to bust your dreams, not to bust your bubbles, but you want to make thousands of dollars, like the title says of the video. You gotta come on here and you gotta be valuable to the people. Your returning viewer rate, all that stuff has to be, you know what I'm saying? Like that stuff gotta be high. Like, engaged views, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got 61K, but half of the people are engaged. That's not bad. You know what I'm saying? Like all that stuff, use your analytics, bro. See what's working, see what's not working. 60K monthly audience. That means that 60,000 people are returning to the videos, come to the channel monthly. Like, that's actually crazy. Make sure y'all pay attention to all that, man. Like, you feel me? Like, hey, they gonna get like the trends, like the best financial advice you'll hear today. Well, they'll tell you what people are looking for inside your niche. Use this YouTube Studio app right here, bro. It's like you study it like a book. This is like YouTube University. It's like college, bro. Daily motivation podcast. Like, so I get the best of both worlds. I don't have I got like 3 niches all in one. I get to, I get to be in that lifestyle, maybe travel vlog, anything like that. I get to be in the motivation, mindset, and how to make money. Like, as you can see, all 3 of these things right here. You feel me? Like, make sure y'all study y'all analytics, bro. But that's how you make thousands of dollars on YouTube right there, man. Literally. Doesn't have to be you talking about money or anything. You just have to come on here and bring some value. Solve a problem. Get a group of people and solve a problem. A lot of you want to be the next Mike Epps. Everybody don't need them next Mike Epps. Everybody need ways how to do this, how to do that, like how to escape their but how to make more money from their 9 to 5. What 9 to 5s pay the most money? Like things like that. You know what I'm saying? Be realistic, be real, be authentic, bro. Like a lot of people, y'all want to come on here, y'all want to put on a facade, bro. Be yourself. Solve some problems, literally. So that's all I got for y'all. I don't want to make this video long, because I know I can yap all day. But that's how you make thousands of dollars on YouTube, dog. No cap. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know I love this. Y'all know I love giving out free gems. I'm going to be back with more content. Hey, ski!